Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Google domain to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify account. Once you're inside, go to the settings at the lower left corner. From there, scroll down and click on the Domains tab. Here, you'll see the option to connect an existing domain, so click on it. Next, you'll need to add your domain. To do this, open your Google Domains account and on the left panel, click on My Domains. Find the domain you want to connect, then copy it. Now, go back to Shopify, paste your domain into the field, and click Next. Then, select Connect automatically to link your Google domain to Shopify. A confirmation will appear. Just click Yes. Your Google domain is now connected to your Shopify store. The final step is to make it your primary domain. To do that, go back to the Domains tab in Shopify and click on the domain that you just added. Then, click on Change Domain Type. From the options, select Primary Domain and confirm by clicking Change Domain Type. And that's it. Your Google domain is now successfully connected and set as the primary domain for your Shopify store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.